illustrators, welcome to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a bookworm character. Here's a picture of what it will look like when we're finished. All right, illustrators, go ahead and gather all of your drawing materials and let's get started. All right, illustrators, here we go with our bookworm character. We're going to begin with the book. So we're just going to start with a regular rectangle shape, like the shape of a book. And we're going to make it look like the book is slightly open. So to do this, we're just going to show a few pages. So up here in this top corner, we're going to make a diagonal line that comes up and then a short line that comes back. And we're going to add two more like that to make it look like the book is open. And now we're going to add our worm character coming out of the book. We're going to start with the bottom edge of the worm's body. We're going to come down here to the bottom area of the book. And we're going to create a wiggly line down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now we're going to create another line on top of this that runs parallel, and that means an equal distance apart from it. So we're going to move slightly up from where we started the bottom line here and do the same thing above this line. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and up. Now we get to add our worm's head on here. So that is just an oval shape. So we're going to place the oval right on top here, and we want it to be a pretty large oval. And now we're going to work on the worm's face. We're going to put two little circles in here for eyes, 1 and 2, and a little U shape for a smile. And we're going to add some glasses onto our bookworm here. So we're going to build larger shapes around these little circles that we put for the eyeballs. This one's going to be an oval over here. And the one around this eye is going to be a circle. And we'll connect those two with a horizontal line there. All right, we're going to add two little eyebrows. And we're going to go back and add some details now. So on the book, you could create whatever type of book cover you'd like. I'm just going to create a little general design here, but this is kind of up to you guys. So whatever you want your book to be about, you could create a title, a design, anything that you'd like on here. I'm going to make mine look like a fairy tale book with some decorative border details here. And then I'm going to title mine Once Upon, any guesses? A Time, yeah! So again, you are free to create whatever type of story you'd like. And for the worm, we are going to add a couple little details on his body just to set us up for some color success here in a minute. So these are just some wavy parallel lines that go across our bookworm, just to break up all that solid space to give us something fun to color. All right, illustrators, so there we have the outline of our bookworm character coming out of a book that he has just read. Now what we're going to do is add some color. So go ahead and get colored pencils, crayons, markers, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. Illustrators, the very last step is to sign our work. All right, illustrators, great job today on your bookworm characters. Yay! Thank you all so much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye!